Okay, enjoy your fish.
Thank you, darling.
Okay. Now, wait. I've forgotten something. I remembered it. I've just remembered something now.
Okay. I hope no problem.
No problem. Are you the one who was on this interview? Are you the one? You're the one on this interview?
Yes.
Would you be willing to cheat on your man for $500?
Of course. Yes, I did. Why not? I mean...
You're the one who said all this?
Yes, it's me.
And then you went ahead to say this?
I mean, it's just a one-day thing.
Did it?
I'll just do it, go home, take a bath, and I go to him when I'm fresh.
Why do you keep on saying these things?
Sometimes it's... why? I don't know. Maybe... Babe, not this time, please.
No, it's okay. Enjoy your fish.
Thank you.
Enjoy your fish. No,
sure?
fine. Yeah, it's okay. Enjoy your fish.
Thank
no
you.
problem. Yeah, enjoy your fish.
Thank you, baby.
Enjoy your fish. Yeah. So, yeah, you know that fish is good, eh?
Yeah, it's so nice and it's very big.
Yeah,
I
very big.
love it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and I love it with matoke.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me first speak this call. Hello?
Okay.
Hello? Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Oh, the fish was so nice.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I really enjoyed myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your bill is 60,000.
60 what?
60,000.
60,000?
Yeah.
Oh, let me call my man. I think it's off. Oh my goodness. No. Where is he now? Jesus Christ, what am I going to do? God.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
I've come for the bill. The money.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Please. Hold on, I'm still calling him. His number is switched off. I don't know, maybe it's the network. Please give me some more minutes.
You call. I'm here.
Yes, I'm calling him.
You call him.
It's off. It's off.
What's off?
His number is switched off.
You call him. Try.
I'm trying. Jesus Christ. This guy, I'm in trouble. Hey.
I'm here waiting.
Hey. Let me try his MTN.
Yeah, you try.
Yes.
Take your time.
Okay. Please. Hey. It's also off.
Hey, it's also off.
I'm finished.
My money?
Miss, please. I don't have any money. I didn't work with any money.
Hey, you just walk without any money.
Like, serious, I don't have any money on me. Like,
beautiful girl like you. You just move around.
Miss, please. Please.
What's please?
I beg you.
I'm taking your phone.
Hey, this phone.
I'm taking your phone.
So now, how
and you have to clean this place. You're going to wash for us the plates. You're going to clean everywhere. So how did you come here? If you don't have any man on you?
Madam, how I came using food too. I came using food.
You came using food too?
I came using food. I don't have any money with
From where?
Hey.